If someone steals your iPhone, one of the first things they will try to do is this. They might open the control center and turn on airplane mode, maybe turn off like the Wi-Fi, or even switch your iPhone off from there. And once that happens, tracking your iPhone instantly becomes a lot harder. But there is actually a setting on iPhone that can block this completely. So we are saying that they cannot have access to control center when iPhone is locked. So for this, we need to go to the settings on the iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Type in your passcode, then scroll down to the section called Allow Access when locked. So it is like kind of like a long list here. These are all the features that can still be used even while your iPhone is locked. Now we're going to look for Control Center, which is right here. If this option is enabled, anyone holding your locked iPhone can still access things like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular data, and other controls as well. So if your phone ever gets stolen, the thief can quickly disconnect your iPhone from the internet in seconds. That's why I recommend turning off Control Center on the lock screen. This way, nobody can access those controls unless the iPhone is unlocked first. So that's it. Easy, quick, and smart. And of course, your iPhone is safe. If you like the video, make sure you share it with your friends and subscribe for more videos like this one. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.